What's good, y'all? It's your boy, aka Little Roy TV, and we back with another video. You see the title. What's good? I'm tired. Oh, my jacket's falling. I'm gonna say, what the hell is that? But yeah, you see the title. We back with another vid. I've been waiting to get this shoe in for like a whole week. Literally, it took forever to get here. But yeah, you see the title, so let's get right into it. If you're new here, what's good? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. And yeah, if you're new here, we're on our way to 300 plus subs, but the ultimate goal is to get 1,000 so we can do a free giveaway for you guys. If you're new here, also comment. I respond to all my comments. For some reason, I don't know why the Drake Nike golf videos of the Naka collab, a lot of people hating on it. I don't know, but to my supporters, go show some love to that video, and as well, stay tuned for the review of this shoe, this channel, whatever. Yeah, either way, like I said, I'm tired, but let's get into it. It shouldn't take too long. My Instagram and my main channel link will be down below in the description, so go check out those two links. And no further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so off rip, first of all, I do like the box. That's one thing I can say. Nike. The box with the prototype, whatever branding, like kind of stitched up font, just like the shoe is, which we're about to see. A lot of details on the shoe for Jordan 1, for real. Like a lot of details. The orange right here with this little beige. You got the Nike right there, which, by the way, this is a size 12. So yeah, all around Nike branded on there. So yeah, the top, obviously you've seen it. The official sticker they put on this usually on the side, but I guess for this one they have it right there. Of course, the swoosh with the number right there, so you guys know it's legit. And obviously it's legit. I got it off the sneakers app. But this Jordan 1, they actually gave like that color, that prototype color. It's not your typical white. But here we go. Size 12, prototype, whatever, however you pronounce it. Boom, right here. Live in the flesh. Comes with blue, orange, and white, of course, and then of course the black shoelaces that come with. So that's 4 shoelaces. A lot of people didn't mind the little baby blue up here. They just cared about the black, white, and the little blue with orange or blue laces, because you could treat it like, you know, New York Knicks colors. But this is like a salmon type of colorway. It's not even white, beige, or something. Let me get the other one out, because obviously I'm getting like allergies. But either way, yeah, let's get the other shoe out. Do a quick thumbnail for you guys. Let's put the box over. And by the way, if you're trying to get these for resale, long term, this is definitely a brick. But not really. I can't even say it's a brick long term. I really don't know, to be honest. This is a nice shoe. It's not as bad as it have looked online. Because technically, realistically, I got this from Sneakers, but on the Flex apps and all that, I did put like a little size 10 here and there, because in Jordan 1s, you guys know, I wear a size 10. So I was like, if I could get this in my size, I don't really know if I would keep this personally. But overall, just to get the shoe to finally see it and obviously show you guys, then it's pretty cool. You get what I'm saying? So let's get the quick little thumbnail for y'all. Let's get the laces, something going on. Boom. But yeah, so let's get into details. You see this one got the shoelaces, so I'm gonna put it down here so I'm not, you know. So let's start off rip. We got the the tongue is orange and black right there. This is definitely not like it's like a stitching on that. And what's cool, like, I like the check on this, to be honest. The check on the toe. The orange logo, or the orange toe. I mean, orange toe. Orange logo is right there on the toe. You can see it from this angle right there. Overall, it's not leather. It's like a hard for your back, the toe heel. I mean the back heel. It's like hard. Typical black bottom. Nothing too crazy. Inside, let me see. Nothing too crazy, but it is an orange and black. I mean orange and blue. You can't really see if it's blue, but it's definitely, you can see the little orange, but it's definitely blue in there. Oh yeah, you can see it. Look, see, it reflect them. But yeah, it comes with the black laces, like I said. That smells fresh from like the factory. Whoever bought this size 12 is good money. This is probably some good ass quality on this Jordan 1. I don't see no flaws on this shoe at all. No flaws, no gum marks, no trash leather, no creases, none of that. Oof. Now I can't front. They're a sleeper. I would say if someone bought this for me, size 10 personal, and they said, yo, you have to wear it, then I guess we wearing it. Because this is not a bad colorway. Literally, the baby blue and the royal, doesn't matter. Sky blue, really. Sky blue and royal blue. With the black, white, and the little silver gray. I actually like this. It's like a shiny Velcro type. It's on both sides, so you can see the glaring of it. Yeah, this shoe is pretty decent. Actually, it's surprising. This shoe is actually better than expected in person. That's why I'm glad I got this shoe. But yeah, what you guys think about this? Did you guys go for them on release day? Did you take a dub? Did you take a L? Are you saying they're a sleeper sneaker just like I am? People are sleeping on these. These are a beautiful shoe. Beautiful shoe. Definitely a beautiful shoe. But oh shit, I didn't realize the back is really all black, but look, it's like rusted orange. Like, yeah, that's fire. Yeah, this shoe overall is like a Nick colorway, orange, black, blue, and people throwing their white laces or the black laces. My bad if you barely see it. I'm just trying to look at them myself, because literally, you guys know after this video, I'm gonna put it right back in the box, and it's on its way to whoever bought these, size 12. But yeah, these are fire. They're definitely a sleeper. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you agree with me? Are these low-key a sleeper shoe? Are they fire? Are you copping for resale? Are you copping for personal? Let me know. Did you grab a pair? Did you not get a pair? Do you want a pair? And all that good stuff in the comments. Like I said, you guys know that I've been here. I respond to all my comments. So let me know what you think in the comments about the shoe. Alright, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And check out the main channel. And also check out my Instagram. Those links will be down below. And I'll see you guys on the flip side in the next vid. Shouldn't be too long. I really don't know. Well, I'm still waiting for more packages so I can film like a whole bunch of stuff at once. But that's it for me. See you guys in the next vid. Told you I'm tired. Thank you for supporting. Your boy Little Roy is out.